بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
حميم.
Hamim.
تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم.
This book is a revelation from the most mighty, the most wise.
إن في السماوات والأرض لآيات للمؤمنين.
Behold, for those who believe, there are myriad signs in the heavens and the earth.
وفي خلقكم وما يبث من دابة آيات لقوم يوقنون.
And in your own creation, and in the animals which He spreads out over the earth too, there are signs for those endowed with sure faith.
واختلاف الليل والنهار وما أنزل الله من السماء من رزق فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وتصريف الرياح آيات لقوم يعقلون.
And in the succession of night and day, and in the provision that Allah sends down from the sky, wherewith He gives life to the earth after it had been lifeless, and in the change of the winds, in all these there are signs for people who use reason.
تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق فبأي حديث بعد الله وآياته يؤمنون.
These are Allah's signs that we rehearse to you in truth. In what kind of discourse after Allah and His signs will they then believe?
ويل لكل أفاك أثيم.
Woe to every guilty impostor.
يسمع آيات الله تتلى عليه ثم يصر مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها فبشره بعذاب أليم.
Who hears Allah's signs being rehearsed to him and yet persists in his pride as though he had not heard it. Announce to him then the tidings of a grievous chastisement.
وإذا علم من آياتنا شيئا اتخذها هزوا أولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
Whenever he comes to know anything of our signs, he makes them an object of jest. For such there awaits a humiliating chastisement.
من ورائهم جهنم ولا يغني عنهم ما كسبوا شيئا ولا ما اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Hell is behind them. Their worldly earnings shall not avail them, nor those whom they took as protectors instead of Allah. An awesome chastisement lies in store for them.
هذا هدى والذين كفروا بآيات ربهم لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
This Quran is the true guidance. Those who deny the signs of their Lord shall suffer the torment of a woeful scourge.
الله الذي سخر لكم البحر لتجري الفلك فيه بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
Allah it is who has subjected the sea to you so that ships may sail upon it at His bidding, and you may seek of His bounty and give thanks to Him.
وسخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض جميعا منه إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
He has subjected to you all that is in the heavens and the earth, all being from Him. Verily, there are signs in this for those who reflect.
قل للذين آمنوا يغفروا للذين لا يرجون أيام الله ليجزي قوما بما كانوا يكسبون.
O Prophet, tell the believers to indulge those who have no fear of any evil days coming upon them from Allah, so that Allah may Himself requite them for their deeds.
من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Whoever acts righteously does so to his own good, and whoever commits an evil will suffer its consequence. All of you will then be sent back to your Lord.
ولقد آتينا بني إسرائيل الكتاب والحكم والنبوة ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على العالمين.
Indeed, we endowed the children of Israel with the book and wisdom and prophethood, and provided them with good things as sustenance, and exalted them above the peoples of the whole world.
وآتيناهم بينات من الأمر فما اختلفوا إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم إن ربك يقضي بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
We gave them clear directions in matters pertaining to religion. Yet they differed among themselves, not out of ignorance, but after knowledge had come to them. And they did so out of the desire to commit excesses against one another. On the day of resurrection, Allah will judge among them regarding what they had deferred.
ثم جعلناك على شريعة من الأمر فاتبعها ولا تتبع أهواء الذين لا يعلمون.
And then we set you, O Prophet, on a clear high road in religious matters. So follow that, and do not follow the desires of those who do not know.
إنهم لن يغنوا عنك من الله شيئا وإن الظالمين بعضهم أولياء بعض والله ولي المتقين.
Surely they will be of no avail to you against Allah. Indeed, the wrongdoers are friends of each other, whereas Allah is the friend of the God-fearing.
هذا بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لقوم يوقنون.
These are the lights of discernment for people, and guidance, and mercy for those endowed with sure faith.
أم حسب الذين اجترحوا السيئات أن نجعلهم كالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سواء محياهم ومماتهم ساء ما يحكمون.
Do the evildoers imagine that we shall make them equal to those who believe and do good, making their lives and deaths alike? How vile is their judgment.
وخلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق ولتجزى كل نفس بما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون.
Allah created the heavens and the earth in truth, that each person may be requited for his deeds. They shall not be wronged.
أفرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه وأضله الله على علم وختم على سمعه وقلبه وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تذكرون.
Did you ever consider the case of him who took his desire as his God, and then Allah caused him to go astray despite knowledge, and sealed his hearing and his heart, and cast a veil over his sight? Who after Allah can direct him to the right way? Will you not take heed?
وقالوا ما هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما يهلكنا إلا الدهر وما لهم بذلك من علم إن هم إلا يظنون.
They say, there's no life other than our present worldly life. Herein we live and we die, and it is only the passage of time that destroys us. Yet the fact is that they know nothing about this and are only conjecturing.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ مَا كَانَ حُجَّتَهُمْ إِلَّا قَالُوا ائْتُوا بِآبَائِنَا إن كنتم صادقين.
And when our clear signs are rehearsed to them, their only contention is, bring back to us our fathers if you are truthful.
قل الله يحييكم ثم يميتكم ثم يجمعكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Tell them, O Prophet, it is Allah who gives you life and then causes you to die, and He it is who will then bring all of you together on the day of resurrection, a day regarding which there can be no doubt, yet most people do not know.
ولله ملك السماوات والأرض ويوم تقوم الساعة يومئذ يخسر المبطلون.
Allah's is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and on the day when the hour of resurrection shall come to pass, the followers of falsehood shall be in utter loss.
وترى كل أمة جاثية كل أمة تدعى إلى كتابها اليوم تجزون ما كنتم تعملون.
On that day you shall see every people fallen on their knees. Every people will be summoned to come forth and see its record and will be told, today you shall be requited for your deeds.
هذا كتابنا ينطق عليكم بالحق إنا كنا نستنسخ ما كنتم تعملون.
This is our record, which bears witness against you with truth. We used to record all what you did.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فيدخلهم ربهم في رحمته ذلك هو الفوز المبين.
As for those who believe and act righteously, their Lord shall admit them to His mercy. That indeed is the manifest triumph.
وأما الذين كفروا أفلم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فاستكبرتم وكنتم قوما مجرمين.
But those who denied the truth, they shall be told, were my signs not rehearsed to you, but you waxed proud and became a guilty people.
وإذا قيل إن وعد الله حق والساعة لا ريب فيها قلتم ما ندري ما الساعة إن نظن إلا ظنا وما نحن بمستيقنين.
And when it was said to them, surely Allah's promise is true and there's no doubt regarding the hour of resurrection, you were wont to say, we do not know what the hour of resurrection is. We are simply making conjectures and are not at all certain.
وبدا لهم سيئات ما عملوا وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
On that day, the evil of their deeds will become apparent to them, and what they had mocked at will encompass them.
وقيل اليوم ننساكم كما نسيتم لقاء يومكم هذا ومأواكم النار وما لكم من ناصرين.
And it will be said, we will forget you today as you forgot the meeting of this day of yours. The fire shall now be your abode, and you shall have none to come to your aid.
ذلكم بأنكم اتخذتم آيات الله هزوا وغرتكم الحياة الدنيا فاليوم لا يخرجون منها ولا هم يستعتبون.
You reach this end because you made Allah's signs an object of jest, and the life of the world deluded you. So they shall not be taken out of the fire, nor shall they be asked to make amends, and thus please their Lord.
فلله الحمد رب السماوات ورب الأرض رب العالمين.
So all praise be to Allah, the Lord of the heavens, the Lord of the earth, the Lord of the whole universe.
وله الكبرياء في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
His is the glory in the heavens and the earth. He is the most mighty, the most wise.